Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me on your screen, hi, my name is Beneze. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a carrot oil out of a carrot. As you can see, this is my carrot oil. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll be doing this, please give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch this video till the end. I love you guys. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Yes guys, today's video is something very different from our normal videos. As you can see, we have some carrots on the screen. They are looking so beautiful. Yeah, with this carrot I'm going to make our carrot oil. It can help to brighten your skin, and also carrot oil helps in hair growth. It helps to give you that flawless skin. First, I'm going to grate the carrot. As you can see, the way it is looking like, we cannot just make the carrot oil with it this way. So I'm going to grate the carrots. I'll be using this small grater here. You can use any side of it. If you like this side, you can use it. If you like this other part, you can use it. So here is our carrots all grated. Now I'm going to proceed to the next step. So the next ingredient I'll be using is coconut oil, and this is the organic coconut oil. And I already have my frying pan on the stove. I'm going to pour in the coconut oil. Yep, I'm going to let it sit for like 30 seconds to 1 minute for it to get warm, not like hot. I just want it to get warm, and we will proceed to the next step. Now it's been a minute of waiting. I'm going to start putting the carrot into the oil. Yeah. And I'm going to fry the hell out of this. I'll stir it continuously. Yeah, while I'm stirring and frying everything, I would like to talk about this carrot oil. So the best way to have the carrot oil is to grate the carrot. You dry it under sunlight for like 24 to 48 hours, depending on how the sunlight is or how long it's gonna take the carrot to get dry. Then you put it into a container, an airtight container to be precise. You put the carrot into a container. You add coconut oil into it, or even olive oil. You put it in a dark room or anywhere that is dark for 7 to 14 days, and you're gonna get the best carrot oil out of it. So because now is winter, I'm not able to do that. That is why I'm taking this shortcut. This is more like a shortcut, and doing this I'm going to lose nutrient. I'm not going to lie. When you have this, you can use it on your skin to have that glowy skin, and also to brighten the skin. It also helps to eliminate dark spots. So if you want carrot oil, just do that one, or if you want the shortcut, you do this one. So I'll continue to fry like this until it gets dry. So guys, it has been frying for about 7 minutes now, and you can see the change. Now I'm going to transfer it into this little bowl because I want it to get cold fast. So guys, I've been waiting for about 30 minutes now, and I think it is cold. You can see how it is looking like, but this is not how we're gonna keep it or store it. Now I'm going to push it aside. bring this disposable cup. This is how it looks like. So what I'm going to do is, I have this little wig cap. We all know this, right? This is how it looks like. It's a wig cap, and that's what I'll be using as my cheesecloth. If you have your piece of cheesecloth, you can use it. So to me, I think this is the best. I just put it on this cup. Please don't question me. This is the cup I'll be using, and it's a disposable cup. If you have any other thing, you can use it, but for me, this is what I'll be using. I'm going to pour the carrot oil into this cup, and whatever or the particles that are there, this cheesecloth is gonna grab it. So watch me do it. Remove it. Can you see it? Can you see? I'm going to squeeze it. And this is what we have. We don't need this. So I'm going to throw it away. This is what I have in my cup. Now I have these small containers here, and that's what I'll be storing my oil inside. So I'm going to open this and I'll put it inside. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? If there was water in it, it would settle at the bottom. You can see that there's nothing at the bottom, which means this is a pure oil. If I didn't fry it the way I did, I think after squeezing it, I could have had like water at the bottom, but look, there is nothing at the bottom. So this is now I still have some in the cup. I'm going to put it inside the other container. Look at what is left inside the cup. The little water that was inside, that's what is at the bottom of the cup, or that is what is left inside the cup. Isn't this nice? So this is my carrot oil. I decided to like wait for 2 days before I end this video so that you can see how the carrot oil looks like after 2 days of storing it into this container. So this is how they look like. Look at it. It's been 2 days, and if you can remember the other day, I showed you how the bottom was looking like, and this is how it's looking like right now. And all of this is pure carrot oil. You can see this is the other one, and this is the last one. So they look so good. I'm going to apply it on my face so that you can see how it looks like. First at the back of my hand, can you see that? So this is it at the back of my hand. Look at how my hand is shining. Can you see that? So I'm going to put it, push my cap backward and apply it on my face. You can see how I applied it on my face and how my face is glowing. So you can use it on your skin and it's gonna be beautiful. If you want to use it to cook, instead of using coconut oil to fry it, you replace it with vegetable oil, and that is it. So the best way to do it is to grate the carrot. You put it under sunlight within 24 to 48 hours. That's within 1 to 2 days, or the length of time that it will take the carrot to get dry. When it gets dry, you add your coconut oil into a container. Make sure the container is big. You put your grated dried carrot into that container that already have the coconut oil there. You close the container and put it in a dark room or any place that is dark for 7 to 14 days, and within this period of time it is going to extract all the goodness from the carrot, and you're going to get your carrot oil. And if you want to use it to cook, instead of using coconut oil, you grate the carrot, you sun dry it, you put vegetable oil into a container, you add the grated carrot to it, you close it and keep it within 7 to 14 days, and you're gonna get your carrot oil that you can use it to cook. But if you know that there is no sunlight, or if you want to get use this shortcut, you can just grate the carrot, use whether vegetable oil or coconut oil to fry it, and you use it the way you want to use it. But I think when you fry it, you are going to lose like maybe 70% of the nutrient or even more. But if you just want to have all the goodness from the carrots, you do not need to fry it. Okay, yeah guys, that will be all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, or if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys. Bye.